Hello, this is Connie Knudsen, proud owner of Feng Shui with Connie K. And I'm very excited today to share the news that I will be hosting the first time ever Feng Shui workshop in Santa Fe, New Mexico on June 29th. If you've ever wondered about Feng Shui, and if you've ever wanted some good strategies and wondered how it might impact your life, well, now's your chance. I will be doing a live 3-hour workshop in Santa Fe where you will get step-by-step instructions on how to align your environment, whether it's home or office, with the energy flow of 2019. Plus, you will get a vision board template created by the world famous Marie Diamond. Now, I don't usually give this away without having a session with me, a Feng Shui session with me, but this time I'm offering it to anyone and everyone who attends this wonderful once in a lifetime, well, first time anyway. Well, it won't be a once in a lifetime. I'm planning to do it probably in the future, but each time will be different. Each time will be attuned to the energy of the moment, of the year and the season, which it is. So this is the perfect time. If you're still working on your goals and your vision board for 2019, I'm going to help you supercharge your vision board, supercharge your goals, and help you to manifest them much more quickly. I am also, excuse me, the author of the Feng Shui of Personal Transformation. My own life, transformed dramatically when I started practicing the Feng Shui as taught by Marie Diamond in 2015. I discovered Feng Shui. I discovered how to implement it. I started taking courses. I was working in a job that really wasn't fulfilling, and it was very difficult time, dark time, because I was working long hours and not getting paid enough. And I was getting depressed because I didn't see a way out. But once I discovered Feng Shui, things dramatically changed. I was able to figure out a way, and the inspiration came for me to retire, move to Albuquerque because I was in 4 hours away in the El Paso area. Moved to Albuquerque, worked and was able to work from home and create an amazing business where I help other business women, other light workers, other people who want to make a difference in the world. I help you and people like you to make a bigger difference in the world. Because when you harmonize your physical environment with your goals and dreams, then you've kind of stacked the deck in your favor, if you will. But it's more like just using the natural energy of the earth, and instead of working against you, you allow it to inspire you, you allow it to move you forward. So I look forward to seeing you in El Dorado at the community. There's a community building, and we will be in the, I believe we'll be in the not in the library. We'll be in the living room. Yeah, that's where it is. It's in the living room. Be very wonderful space for all of us to have discussions and receive your handouts and your instructions. And I look forward to inspiring you too. So you are invited. I'm so excited that please join me on the 29th. It's 1 to 4 p.m. in El Dorado, just outside of Santa Fe, New Mexico. And please post your comments below, and I will have a link below for you to sign up. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.